Yo sí le suban las manos.
Gracias.
¡Ánimo!
Muy bien. ¿Les está gustando o no? ¿A poco sí?
¡Excelente! No nos gusta, pero no la saques.
Siguiente canción es una llamada Pumped Up Kicks, pero no es la versión que ustedes conocen. No sé, ahorita se van a... Dale, pibes.
Es que es para ustedes de 20 años, yo ya viejo, yo que esa madre.
pibes, que vamos a ver los pibes.
No vayas a tirar las maquetas. Otro éxito de esos perrones de estos güeyes, pues, pura. Estos güeyes son las 94.5 irán a llamar. ¿Cómo se llama la nariz, güey?
Ok, continuamos con el show. All Star de Shrek.
A la verga.
Somebody once told me the world it's gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the hell. She was looking kinda dumb with a finger and her thumb in the shape of a nail on her forehead. Well, you start coming, back to the race and it gets running. Didn't make sense to live for fun. Your brain gets up and your head gets down. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? I never know if you don't go, never shining. Hey now, you're a rock star. Game on and get old play. Hey now, you're a rock star. So on and get paid. Know that later is gold. Shooting star, break on. It's a good place, and you say it gets cool. To hold up that way till you get older. But the minute you're mad back to the brick, going with a hole in the center like a picture. The ice cream skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so the might as well swim. The walls on fire, all yours. That's the way I like it, and I never get bored. Now you're an all-star, with your game on and go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, so on and get paid. And know that later is gold. Only shooting star, break down. Hey now, you're an all-star, put your game on and go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, so on and get paid. And know that later is gold. Only shooting star. Body wants Asper to spend some change for gas. I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yeah, what a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change. Start coming, back to the wheels, here they come running. Man, it makes sense to live for fun. The brain gets up, and the bed gets down. So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back street? Never know if you don't go, never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star, put your game on and go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, so on and get paid. Know that later is gold. Only shooting stars break down now. And know that later is gold. Only shooting stars break down now. Gracias.
Más éxito, no mames. Más,
Oigan, como que hace calor, ¿no? ¿O soy yo?
no, eres tú, pinche.
Oye,
Sí, güey, vato pecador, échale piedra.
No, pues de nuevo muchas gracias, gracias por asistir, veo que está llegando más gente. De verdad muchas gracias, es por beneficencia a la pequeñita Kenia que ya se fue.
Ahora sí es
Y muchas gracias
deberían de
a
poner así
la
como
coordinadora
profesor,
por
güey, que
invitarnos a
echarle aire
tocar
todos.
aquí a su eventito. Muchas gracias.
Dijo que se vayan a morir.
Yeya.
Y que fuera
Muchas gracias,
piedra,
Yeya. Un aplauso para Yeya.
No, se muere. Bravo, bravo.
Eso es todo.
Este güey trae que este debe hacer de stand-up, algo así. No dice nada, pero da risa. O sea, no risa de él, sino que él trae la. El otro güey gritaba. Y viene enojado y la vieja. Y este güey solo. Güey dice, hola. Está todo riendo, güey. trae ese pedo, trae la vibra esa.
Sí, dale.
Es más, se le traen las cuerdas ahorita.
Rosemary